All right, class, welcome to the evidence evolution project that we're going to be working on in class. There's going to be four main things that you're going to need to be looking for. You're going to be looking at an animal to illustrate the following points: fossil record, embryology, comparative anatomy, and DNA evidence. We've been working on this in class. And so fossil record, embryology, comparative anatomy, and DNA evidence should be familiar to you. You're going to be picking a vertebrate animal. Think of an animal that's probably going to be easy to find lots of information on. You might pick a bear, but you have to pick like a polar bear or a brown bear or a grizzly bear. You have to be very specific, but you still want to have something that's going to be able to find information on. Once you've picked your animal, you're going to create 4 panels. You're either going to use Notability, you can do it on paper, you can use Canva, you could use Google Slides, but you're going to need to have 4 different sections. The 4 different sections are going to be fossil record, embryology, comparative anatomy, and DNA evidence. One of the first things you're going to need to do is define each of these terms in your own words. And so you're going to be defining fossil record, embryology, comparative anatomy, and DNA in your own words. Think about how would you tell someone who didn't know about these things what they were. I don't really want to copy and paste. You don't want to copy and paste those. You're going to be needing to use pictures, charts, and graphs. You'll need at least 4 of those, 1 for each of the sections. Make sure that you tell me where you get those pictures by citing the source you find the picture in the proper format. You're going to need to write a paragraph explaining how the piece of evidence fits into the project. So you're going to find some evidence of fossil record, embryology, comparative anatomy, DNA by doing some research. The paragraph should tell me what the research is about. Like, what did you figure out about the fossil record and your animal? Embryology and your animal, comparative anatomy and your animal, DNA evidence and your animal. Wait to do the summary until the end. Okay, the summary is going to be worth 6 points and have to be 6 sentences. It's pretty easy to write your summary, and I can help you with that, but you're going to need 6 sentences. In fact, this is the rubric right here. This is how you'll be graded. So check this very carefully. Make sure you have all this stuff in order to get the 22 points that's possible. Remember, this is a summative grade, and so you're going to want to do your best effort on this thing. That's just the basics there. I can help you in class. I just want to get you started. If you haven't gotten started yet, you're going to need to choose an animal and get going. The easy thing to do is to do the definitions first and get it laid out and then go from there. This will all be due next week, depending upon what class you're in, but it's either going to be due February 8th, Wednesday, or Thursday, February 9th. Email me if you have questions, and we can go from there. Good luck.